try to do those special trips where you dummy that chum down to where it's just like tobacco juice, and the bluefish don't stay in it, or they don't stay in it as much. This one's a jig. Okay, stay to the rail this time. Stay to the rail. Let your line loose. Lay that bait line loose. Okay, no more reeling. Give me some line. And watch that hook coming over. I'm not sure what it's got. Okay.